Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to swap a Chrysler 300 engine. An engine swap is a significant undertaking, requiring careful planning and the right tools. You'll need a suitable replacement engine, whether it's a new or rebuilt unit, compatible with your vehicle's specifications. Gather all necessary fluids, new gaskets, and mounting hardware before you begin. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to successfully complete this complex automotive task, ensuring your Chrysler 300 runs smoothly with its new heart. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and safely draining all engine fluids, including oil and coolant. Next, systematically remove all peripheral components connected to the engine, such as the air intake, exhaust manifolds, and all electrical wiring harnesses. Carefully detach the transmission from the engine block and unbolt the engine mounts. With everything disconnected, use a sturdy engine hoist to slowly and carefully lift the old engine out of the engine bay, ensuring no components are snagged. Before installation, thoroughly inspect your replacement engine and replace any critical seals or gaskets, like the rear main seal, for optimal performance. Carefully lower the new engine into the engine bay using the engine hoist, ensuring proper alignment with the transmission and engine mounts. Securely bolt the transmission back to the engine and fasten all engine mounts. Reconnect all electrical connectors, fuel lines, and cooling system hoses, paying close attention to every detail for a successful startup. Once the new engine is in place, refill all fluids to their manufacturer-recommended levels, including engine oil, coolant, and power steering fluid. Double-check every connection hose and bolt to ensure everything is secure and no tools are left in the engine bay. Perform an initial startup, listening carefully for any unusual noises or warning lights. Finally, take your Chrysler 300 for a short test drive, monitoring all gauges and checking thoroughly for any leaks or performance issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.